Thousands of students and professionals are doing data science course nowadays, but very few of them actually get a high paying job. Most of them either get a very low paying job or no job at all. So what exactly these people are missing in their learning? If you want to know more, please watch this video till the end. Hi, my name is Amit Kataria, founder of Madrid Software. In the last 10 years, we trained thousands of professionals who are working in companies like TCS, IBM and Amazon. So what exactly the skills that creates a difference among high-paying data science jobs and low-paying data science jobs? It is the concepts of statistics and their knowledge of data visualization tools like Tableau. Mastering these concepts can help you getting a high-paying data science job. And if you're thinking from where you can learn and how you can learn, we are here to help you. We are conducting a free online workshop in which we will teach you concepts like Tableau and statistics for data science so that you will get a clear roadmap of getting a high-paying data science job. So click the link below and get yourself registered for this free workshop.